right, this is flaming air cannon. No police this time. Ah, I was too far downwind. God. We're shooting golf balls at those. Let's do just a little bit farther back. Does this trajectory look lined up? I can't tell if that's too far away. Bring it closer. Better safe than sorry. Okay, this is 80. That was perfect. That was perfect. I'm confused. That's unfortunate. Big sad about that one. We'll blame that on humidity in the air. It's too moist. You want one? You. What is with people and me throwing them things and them actually catching it when I literally don't intend on them catching it? Kat did the same thing in one of the videos. Equivalent to a shotgun, more or less. It's fine. Okay, let's see what's stronger. 80 PSI golf balls or Coke cans? Nice! Looks like a direct shot to me. To my knowledge, this will be a direct hit. No!
It won't fit in the pipe.
What the f? Tequila. That was personal. Buddy's on a mission.
Wash your mouth out with.
Don't question my ways. Yeah. Oh. What the? Nice. Because I'm going to try doing 100 PSI.
100?
Yeah. I've always had a pyro face growing up. So this was, oh Jesus. So you know, this was perfect. I feel like I'm bunkered down in a shelter right now.
You have to protect yourself.
Yeah, basically. So yeah, this will be 100 PSI. You look really vulnerable right now. You look very submissive and breedable right now. You like this. Me aim a golf ball towards it real quick.
That'd be so funny though. If you're trying to shoot off a golf ball and the coat box fell over and the cannon just fell.
I'm a little nervous. I don't know if this shit will save my life either. If a piece of plastic comes flying towards me. I don't like how long it's taking. Should I check on it?
Do you want to?
I saw you aim up. I'm assuming that was a lot.
Yeah. It got pretty fucking high.
There it goes. Really? It's trying. Nice. It's a beautiful day for a putt. Ow! I swear I can play baseball. This is not even on purpose. Did that look cool? Sometimes you need time for self-reflection. This is gonna look cool. Ready? Really? Really? I quit.